Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study law subjects effectively. Start by thoroughly reviewing your course syllabus to identify core topics and learning objectives. It's crucial to grasp the underlying rationale of legal principles rather than rote memorization. Build a solid foundation by becoming proficient in essential legal terminology and concepts. This initial step sets the stage for deeper understanding and better retention throughout your studies. Next, embrace active learning techniques. Don't just passively read, highlight important passages and add your own notes directly in the text. Briefing cases is essential. Distill each case into its core components: facts, legal issues, the court's holding, and its reasoning. This process helps you analyze judicial decisions and synthesize complex legal arguments into more manageable, understandable summaries. Once you've absorbed the material, it's time to synthesize. Create detailed outlines that logically link various legal concepts and rules. Visual aids like flowcharts or diagrams can be incredibly helpful for illustrating intricate legal relationships and processes. Make sure to revisit and update your outlines frequently, perhaps once every 2 weeks, to ensure they remain accurate and reflect your evolving understanding of the subject matter. Finally, practice is paramount for success. Regularly apply legal rules to various hypothetical scenarios to hone your analytical skills. Simulate exam conditions by completing past exams within the allotted time, typically 3 hours for a standard law school exam. Actively seek constructive feedback on your practice answers to pinpoint weaknesses and refine your approach before the actual assessment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.